I haven't been in this direction in quite a while. Lately I've been kind of exploring other areas out of Liso and Laguna. Rather, I should say outside of Liso and Laguna. So we've had a little bit of rain lately, so that's why I decided to come back out here a little bit. Ooh, that's a nice little big gap jump rather. What was I saying? That I haven't been out here in quite a while, but wanted to come back out to see how the dirt is doing with the recent rains. But SoCal being SoCal, you know, it's after one short week, it's back to dry, dusty, and loose, right? That's how it goes. That's just how it goes. I don't remember this trail being like this. I don't remember the last time I even hit this trail. I know that jump wasn't there before, that big gap. Oh, you're fine, sir. How you doing?
All right.
Ooh.
Taking a break. Enjoying the view.
Yeah, I was just admiring the view from over there. Just gorgeous.
Where does that come from?
Well, I was gonna go down that way, but I thought I'd squeeze through you.
Tell me where you want to go, man.
I'm going straight down. You have a great day. See, which way was it? Was it left or right? Woo! So I just came back up Mathis and came out here to Sheep Run. I wanted to see how it's held up after some recent maintenance on it and then the rain. Let's find out. It is still sandy. Woo! Hi there. Okay, thank you. Are they going down or up?
One's coming up,
yeah,
two are down.
they're going down.
Okay.
I'm waiting. Go past me.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. Thank you much. Hi there.
Go ahead.
Just you two?
Yep, it's us.
Okay.
You're single?
Yes, just me. Thank you. Thank you. It's actually held up pretty well. There are some sandy parts, but nothing serious. Yeah, it is good. There is a little bit of gutter. Nothing to worry about though. Probably shouldn't hit this on a Saturday mid-morning, you know. Still quite a bit of brake bumps. Hi there. So I guess sheep run, aka mentally sensitive, is still running good. Still running good. Just unfortunate that I had to stop and slow down many times due to the hikers. But it is what it is. You know, they have the right to hike that too. So I think that's it for the day. Several trails, lots of climbing. I could use a beer or 2 or 3, and I'm a little hungry. So I got a long trek back to the car. Thanks for watching, guys. But catch ya on the next vid.